Hey everybody, you're watching GTSAM. I'm Sam, and we are back in the mechanic suit working on the crusty Cadillac. What are we working on right now? Well, we got another quick tutorial on how to take these pesky lug nuts off that are just a American thing. So Ford, Jag, and again Cadillac do this with the lug nuts. They have the plastic like aluminum caps over top, try to take stuff off to get caught in your impact socket. Well, I have a solution here that's going to help with that. So let me show you what I have here to help make this process a little bit easier. What we have right here is WD-40 Specialist Dry Lube. Now you can use kind of any dry lube spray. You know, it helps not get everything all greasy and oily. And look, and like I already put it on here, you can't even tell it's even on there because well, it's on there and it's a little bit dry. So spray this on the bolts. I already did so, like so. So we'll just do it with all of them. Go for it. All right, came out. Let's see. Ah, very nice, very clean, and they're not getting stuck on here. You're not spending moments like this wasting valuable time and minutes trying to get these stuck lug nuts with these aluminum caps out. So I made another video like this off on a Jag with one much more horrendous to actually get off if they're actually stuck, broken, stripped, or anything like that. I just have a video, so check out the end right here, and also the link in the description below. But this is for specifically Cadillac and more of a GM style vehicles. So look at, if you have right here, you see how it has a cap right here, also starting to corrode. So these definitely go bad. They start to crack and split. So eventually you may need to replace them if you don't keep up with them. And if your lug nut gets stuck, you just give it a couple wiggles here, then pop, almost, and pop. There you go. Or if it's really stuck. All right, so if it's stuck like that, you can't get it off by wiggling. Well, add a little extension right there, lock it in, and boom, there you go. Honestly, you could just, I'll just kind of show you for example here. Have it back on, wiggle it around a little bit, and pops right off. Just like that. Oh, you know, the grease and oil, whatever gets inside the lug nuts and messes everything up. No, I sprayed it on the outside, so it's not even getting in on the thread, so you're fine. You tighten it down, the spec torque, and you're good to go. You're back on the road, and you're still cruising with your power tools, and you get the wheel off in no time. So there you go. Everybody, that's your quick tip for tonight. If you enjoyed this quick video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up here, and make sure you subscribe for more quick videos and more videos on the crusty Cadillac, just like this and more. And make sure you comment on this video if you have any questions or any issues or something similar to this, and you need more help or any kind of tips and tricks to go along with this. I'm more than happy to talk about it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. This is GT Sam, and I'm going to catch you next time. Probably with this Cadillac again.